Okay, so hello student again. One question that came is how can I download the land use layer? So one additional resource that I thought would be worth it to tell you about is the data that is available through the Department of Planning portal. So here's the URL. I actually will share this with you in an announcement. And one of the data items is the land zoning. When I get into this item, I can download this in different formats such as JSON, Esri style, and WFS. So I'm going to actually use it as a WFS, Web Feature Service. I can also use it as WMS, but using a WFS will give you a bit more flexibility. However, it will be a bit heavy in terms of how long it will take to render in your QGIS desktop tool. So what I'm going to do is just copy this URL. And I'm going into my QGIS, currently empty, and I will go into the WFS connection. I'll create a new connection. I will paste the URL here, and I will give it a name, WFS, maybe underscore length underscore use, and okay. Once I've done that, I'm connected into the web feature service, and I'm going to see what is available. So a little bit tweaking here. So I just had to go into the right connection. And then you can see there's different layers that are available, such as heritage, floor space ratio, height of building, land zoning, load size, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to double click on the land zoning. And as soon as I do that, this will take some time, so I'll move to another screen just to show you that it will bring it in at some stage. It will take time to render everything, especially because it looks on the all state level and it has a lot of records. So here's another screen where I already done that, and it's actually still rendering, but most of it already been downloaded or rendered. And once that is finishes, it could take some time. You can also change the thematics and look on the land use. You also will be able to either export that or then do some other data manipulations such as clip based on EAOI, area of interest, and so on and so forth. So hopefully this is helpful.